Hello, my name is Anders, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the color changer on your status in Facebook. Now, if you have installed a color changer application in Facebook and you no longer want it to be changing the colors of your statuses or your profile, whatever it might be, all you need to do is remove that application. So, in order to remove that application, we can just take a look at all of our apps right here. Click on More, and now we can see all of the applications that we have installed on our Facebook profile. Now, if we want to modify any of these, we're going to go up into the upper right-hand corner of our Facebook, click on the little drop-down arrow, and click on Account Settings. It's the second option down. Now, we're going to get this. We want to go to Apps on the left-hand side. It's the fifth selection down. And now we have all of the different applications that we've ever installed on our Facebook. Now, if you have a color changer application installed, all you need to do is find the little X on the right-hand side of that application, click Remove, and then it's going to ask you if you definitely want to remove it, and I do, so I'm going to click Remove there. And that's all you need to do to remove the color changer application from your Facebook. My name's Anders, and today I talked a little bit about removing the color changer app from your Facebook.